How to fix your Instagram hashtag not working. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. So in this video, I'm going to be mentioning all the steps you can take in order to fix your problem. So the first thing you want to do is pretty generic. You want to check your internet connection, try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or try turning your airplane mode on and off. Always make sure that you have the latest version of the application installed. You can simply go to your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and update it on time. Now, whenever using hashtags on a post, definitely do not use too many hashtags. Many people make this mistake. Only use 5 to 10 relevant hashtags, and using too many can also reduce reach. You can also use hashtags that match your content and niche. So whenever you're posting something, you want to make sure that the hashtags you're using are relevant and not completely out of context. If that is not the case, you want to also check if some hashtags are banned or blocked. If not, you can simply go ahead and try avoid repeating the same hashtags you always use. If none of it works, simply try contacting the help center at Instagram. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.